Hello and welcome to today's episode of Top 10 Data Breaches. In this video, we'll be exploring the biggest data breaches of all time, the organizations responsible, and the consequences they faced. Starting off our list at number 10, we have Equifax. In 2017, Equifax, one of the largest credit reporting agencies, suffered a data breach that exposed the personal and financial information of 143 million consumers. This included social security numbers, birth dates, addresses, and even credit card numbers. At number 9, we have Capital One. In 2019, Capital One suffered a data breach that exposed the personal information of over 100 million customers. The information included names, addresses, credit scores, and social security numbers. The hacker responsible was later arrested and charged with computer fraud. At number 8, we have Marriott International. In 2018, Marriott International suffered a massive data breach that affected 500 million guests. The breach exposed sensitive information such as names, addresses, passport numbers, and even payment card information. Marriott faced a hefty fine and several lawsuits over the breach. At number 7, we have Yahoo. In 2016, Yahoo suffered one of the largest data breaches in history, affecting over 1 billion users. The breach exposed sensitive information such as names, email addresses, phone numbers, dates of birth, and even security questions and answers. Yahoo faced several lawsuits and a decline in user trust as a result of the breach. At number 6, we have Target. In 2013, Target suffered a massive data breach that affected 40 million customers. The breach exposed credit and debit card information, as well as names, addresses, and phone numbers. Target faced several lawsuits and a decline in customer trust as a result of the breach. At number 5, we have Home Depot. In 2014, Home Depot suffered a data breach that affected 56 million customers. The breach exposed credit and debit card information, as well as email addresses and phone numbers. Home Depot faced several lawsuits and a decline in customer trust as a result of the breach. At number 4, we have eBay. In 2014, eBay suffered a data breach that affected 145 million users. The breach exposed sensitive information such as names, addresses, phone numbers, and dates of birth. eBay faced several lawsuits and a decline in user trust as a result of the breach. At number 3, we have JP Morgan Chase. In 2014, JP Morgan Chase suffered a data breach that affected 76 million households and 7 million small businesses. The breach exposed sensitive information such as names, addresses, phone numbers, and email addresses. JP Morgan Chase faced several lawsuits and a decline in customer trust as a result of the breach. At number 2, we have Anthem. In 2015, Anthem, one of the largest health insurance companies, suffered a data breach that affected 80 million customers. The breach exposed sensitive information such as names, social security numbers, birth dates, addresses, and even medical information. Anthem faced several lawsuits and a decline in customer trust as a result of the breach. And finally, at number 1, we have Heartland Payment Systems. In 2008, Heartland Payment Systems suffered a data breach that affected 130 million credit and debit cards. The breach exposed sensitive information such as card numbers, expiration dates, and security codes. Heartland Payment Systems faced several lawsuits and a decline in customer trust as a result of the breach. That's it for today's video on Top 10 Data Breach. I hope this provided a deeper understanding of this important topic in the world of cybersecurity.